Today I want to talk about something that we did. I did a short clip of a little while ago, which is really focusing on your phrasing, which the two things that I find the most difficult to drill into some of my students' heads are repetition and space, leaving space to really accentuate the phrase. If you don't leave space, just kind of rambles on and there's no concise phrasing. So what I want you guys to try is I'm going to put a backing track on here and show you. You're going to play one measure of a lick, something nice and easy, and then an entire measure of rest. All right, now I'm going to do it for you so that you could hear. It might start getting uncomfortable. It might start getting a little too bare, even when you're hearing it. That's what I want you to get to, that point where it starts being a little uncomfortable. You're like, man, I gotta play, and you don't. You train yourself not to, all right? So let's get right to it so you guys can hear an example. One measure of playing, one measure of rest. Three. Every one of those licks I'm playing is super easy, all right? Now, it doesn't really matter what the licks are necessarily at first. That's what I want you guys to focus on the most, all right? And really making sure that you're getting that phrasing. What eventually it starts sounding like is a vocalist, a blues vocalist. You're mimicking a blues vocalist while you're playing the guitar. Now, step two, and this is even more difficult. You're gonna do the same idea. You're gonna do two measures of playing and then two measures of rest, okay? And then that finishes out the 12 bar. All right, try that. That is going to be such a huge help in your playing, guys, I promise. What eventually happens is, if I break away from that and I just say, all right, you know what? I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna play, I'm not gonna pay attention to how much I'm playing, how much I'm not playing. I'm just gonna let those ideas sink in. I'll get a little something like this. Let's see if I can get something. All right, so there's still a direction, some conciseness, some digestibility for the listener, and it comes from that phrasing. Give it a shot. Let me know how it goes, guys.